Mahagathbandhan, 5 for Jan Suraj, 7 for the others. That is how it's stacked. And look at the map. Look at the map in 2020 and look at the map here. We had large areas of saffron in this part and totally green in this part. Look at the number of breaches that have been made in the Bhojpur region.
A large number of these swing seats that we discussed yesterday, Navika, about 87 of them, a significant proportion of them are in Magad as well as Bhojpur, which have traditionally been RJD strongholds. So they are now swinging towards the BJP. That's a possibly
and there are breaches in the strongholds of the BJP as well, JVC?
Yes. If I look at it, Tirgut is a place where...
This area.
Yes, the Nepal bordering area. There, Mahagathbandhan is doing significantly well. And one more thing, very important, is the race to be the single largest party is between BJP and RJD. BJP at 51 and RJD at 46. And many of them said JDU might go past BJP. That's not happening. JDU is doing better than 2020, but still their strike rate is much lower compared to BJP.
But there was this whole talk about a sympathy wave for Nitish Kumar. Do you think that's working on the ground as of now? Again, these are leads.
I think with the rural voters and with Mahila voters, the sympathy thing did work, because many of the women voters who are first-time voters also, they are the ones who were the beneficiaries of all Nitish Kumar's pro-women policies. So many of them who don't realize, many of them thought कि अगर नीतीश CM नहीं बनते तो उनको घर से बाहर कर देंगे. This is the mentality of many people who thought कि अगर इनके ये तो he doesn't have a family, in the sense he has a son but no real big family, so he will have no homes. This is the kind of thinking that was कि ये तो बाहर निकल जाएंगे, हमारे घर में भी तो बुजुर्ग होते हैं, हम थोड़ी ना अगर वो बुजुर्ग हो जाते हैं घर से बाहर निकालते हैं. So you know, it's a simple minded way of how they